Okay guys, yesterday while driving home I've got an engine error. An engine is running rough. Engine fault. OBD reader said it's a misfire in cylinder 2. So what I did, I checked my ignition coil and swapped it with cylinder 1. So it's running rough, as you can hear. I swapped ignition coil from cylinder 2 to cylinder 1 and cleared the error and run it around for a minute. It came up again and it says the error now is in cylinder 1. So my ignition coil now is in cylinder 1, which I need to replace. I've got part from Amazon, ordered in the evening, got it 8 o'clock in the morning, so I can go to work, just need to swap it. To take out ignition coil on mini R56, fairly easy. Just pull this tab, take out connector, wiggle it a little bit and pull it up. Here it is. So that one is a bad one. I've got a new one here, Bosch, 25 pounds. Let's get this one in and see. Right, make sure it's properly seated in. Alright, it is now. Get the connector in. Right, let's start it up and see if the error is fixed. Okay, I've been driving it for a day now after I swapped ignition coil, and the engine is running nice and taking no errors. So if you have similar issue, try to check your ignition coils.